AI stocks did not just fall today. They exposed something more uncomfortable. How much of this rally was real conviction and how much was crowded expectation? When a trade becomes this popular, the market does not need terrible news to shake people out. Sometimes, good news is simply no longer enough. That is what made today important. The Nasdaq and semiconductor names took the heavier hit, while the broader market looked less damaged underneath the surface. This was not a clean, everything is crashing session. It was more like the market pointing at one crowded corner and asking, are buyers still calm, or are they just conditioned to chase every dip? The strange part is that the AI story itself did not disappear. The long-term narrative around chips, data centers, and artificial intelligence is still alive. But Wall Street does not only trade stories, it trades expectations, positioning, and liquidity. If expectations get too high, even strong headlines can fail to create upside because too many investors are already leaning the same way. This is where retail can misread the day. One group sees red candles and immediately calls it the end of the AI trade. Another group sees the same red candles and immediately wants to buy the dip. Both reactions can be emotional. The calmer question is not whether AI is dead or unstoppable. The better question is whether liquidity is still supporting the leaders after the crowd gets tested. For the calm metrics, this is the real message beneath the noise. Price is the surface, but positioning tells you where the pressure is building. Today's sell-off was not a final verdict on AI. It was a discipline check for anyone who forgot that the hottest trade in the market can still become fragile when expectations run ahead of patience. So the takeaway is simple. Do not confuse a concentrated sell-off with a full market collapse, but do not ignore it either. When the strongest narrative starts reacting badly to news that should have helped, the market is telling you to slow down. Not panic, not chase, just calm down and understand what today really meant before reacting.